Today we will show you our overnight experience at Novotel Araneta City, where luxury meets comfort in the heart of Quezon City. We booked their superior king bedroom and added an extra bed for 7,300 pesos, inclusive of a sumptuous buffet breakfast. The cozy room combines contemporary style and functionality and is equipped with a modern toilet and bath, cable television, small fridge, and a study area. They also have a relaxing medium-sized rooftop swimming pool with a man-made waterfall that we took advantage of before the night sky wraps the hustle and bustle of Cubao. Rise and shine to a culinary journey at Novotel's renowned breakfast buffet, a feast of Filipino and international flavors. From freshly baked pastries to a selection of tropical fruits, the breakfast spread caters to every palate. They even have a do-it-yourself taho section. Thank you for watching the Daily Fill. See you on the next video!